Hi everyone, my name is Marianne Clark. I'm an educator in Hazlet Township. I currently teach grades K to 4 technology as a technology specialist. Today I'm going to talk to you about Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a free website that you can sign up for. If you look on a browser, all you have to do is type in flipgrid.com and it will bring you to this login page. Today we're going to talk about a couple quick things. What is Flipgrid? How to set up an account, what are grids versus topics, and the privacy of your grids, and how to add a grid in a topic. In your classroom, you can use Flipgrid for book discussions, project brainstorming, current events, science experiments, sharing feelings and thoughts, which is really important at this time, and how to connect with students around the world. This is also a quick overview of other things that you can also do with Flipgrid. The easiest way to get started is to just go ahead and sign up on their webpage. You can sign up free with any email address. I've already had an account for quite a few years and I'm an ambassador for the company. Doesn't mean I get paid. It just means that I've gone through all the courses for Flipgrid. So just go ahead to flipgrid.com and log in. Okay, so this is my Flipgrid account. Obviously, I have 9 grids so far. I've been using this for quite a few years. So I have a lot of grids. Now, grids I explain as that could be your subject. And then like reading, math, science, social studies, they would be your grids. Or if you're teaching many different grade levels, maybe you have a grid for each grade level. I just make a grid for the schools that I teach in. I teach in 2 different schools, kindergarten in one school, 1 to 4 in other schools. So right now I'm going to show you, if you wanted to make a new grid, you would have to decide on the naming of your grid, which is usually the pencil, and then whether or not you want a code for your grid, what kind of grid it is. So if you want students to use their Google or their Microsoft account, you would click school email for them to log in. You could give them an ID to log in, or you could use just a public grid. And that's what we use because there's not a lot of people on there trying to get into the grids. And you can moderate it so you have to approve them, the videos, before they get posted anyway. You can make a password. That's optional and completely up to you. And then you can tell them when you would like to receive notification on when videos are submitted. I have them send it to me daily. You could also click grid followers where other people can sign up and follow the grid. You can download and share their videos after they make them. And you can make grids active or non-active. And you can personalize yours and choose a photo. You can also upload a photo or use one that's already there. Once you have the grid made, on the top you have your toolbar. And then within the grid, that's where you would post topics. So for example, this one school that I'm working at with kindergartners, we just started this. And we're doing the say hello. And that would be a topic that you create. So if you go back to the grid and you create a new topic, that's where you're going to type in the name of the topic. So let's say teacher appreciation. I want them to record a video. You can decide how long they have, because obviously you don't want a 10-minute video for a short discussion. You can type in the prompt. You can also upload a video of you talking about something, find a spark on YouTube video to be posted. And there's a lot of different choices here. And also you have something called more. If you click that more, you could scroll down and you could do links. You could also do the status. I like the status because I like to be able to see the videos before they are posted. So that would be this feature right here. You could have students reply to each other. You can make it active or inactive if you don't want them to see it yet. And then you could put the launch date and the closing date on the assignment. Then you can decide if you want students to edit their videos, if you want them to attach something to the video. Maybe it was something that they had to type about, and also you wanted them to present it. You could have them do a title. You could see how many people actually viewed it. And I love the sticky note feature. The sticky note feature actually allows them to type in what they're going to say while they're recording themselves. You can also create a rubric on grading them. So let's take a look at one that I already have some videos on. Say hello. On my say hello, you'll notice that once you make the topic, you can share it. That's how your students are going to get that. I turn on the guest code because right now, being a remote teacher, it's easier not to have a password for students to type in, especially at the lower level. So with the guest code, that allows them to just get the web address and for them to make a video to access it. I always turn on the moderation, so I have to approve it first before it is posted. And I actually had some teachers make some videos. And next to each person, now this is the principal, you could make their video active or hide it. You can share that video with others. And you can also have the ability to download those videos as well. Okay. There are some other choices on Flipgrid called mixtapes. Mixtapes allows you to showcase certain videos of students that were really, really good videos. You could put them there. Grid Pals is a way for you to connect with people around the world. Okay, notice how many Grid Pals there are down here on the bottom. 21,508 Grid Pals are on the map. Your disco library on Flipgrid is where you can find topics that were already created that you don't need to find. They're already there. So today we've gone over how to make a grid, how to make a topic. We've talked about a spark. So if something's really good, you can put it in your mixtape. Flipgrid is really great to collaborate with your colleagues and other classes. If one teacher has an account, they can add another teacher to the account. That's called the co-pilot. I showed you how you could customize the feedback and you can give students individual scores as well. If you have any questions regarding Flipgrid, you can always reach out to me. Here is my contact information. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Tech Elementary. Have a great day.